today's look, I am going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I am in love with this, and I've been really dying to use the blue shimmer shade at the bottom, this one right here. So I'm going to create a look based off of that. You are going to want to take Scotch tape. I unfortunately do not have Scotch tape with me. I have like packing tape, so that's what I'm gonna use. And you're gonna forget that I'm using packing tape. Please don't do this because I don't even know how sticky this is gonna be. So we'll see. And if you've never done this trick, or if you have done this trick before, you're going to want to take it and line it with the corner of your eye. And normally you line it up to the very end of your eyebrow, but my eyes are kind of hooded, so I don't like to go up that far. I bring it down a little bit further down. So if you have hooded eyes, bring it down farther than straight up to your eyebrows, because it just won't look right once you open your eye. So I'm going to first go in with a transition shade, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here and just put that all over my lid. And now I'm going to take a more pointed brush and this shade up here and put that in my crease and on the outer V. My camera just overheated and I don't remember where I just left off, but I realized that I am zoomed out and I should be zoomed in for this part. So I'm going to go in with this smaller brush and highlight my brow bone with the bottom left hand corner. Boop. And now I'm going to go in with this brush that looks kind of the same, but it's a little bit bigger. And I'm going to I'm going to spray it with my setting spray. I usually use MAC Fix Plus for this, but I don't know where mine went. So I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and I'm going to go in with that blue shimmery shade right there. I'm going to do a slight cut crease, and by slight I mean I'm not going to like carve it out. With concealer first, I'm just going to use the brush that has the eyeshadow on it to do so. Notice I'm only taking it to just cover the lid. I'm not going super far up over here. I'm going to turn this into a smoky eye. So that is going to be covered in black. And now I'm going to go in with a small dense brush and take the black in the top corner and chisel out the outer V. Now that I've packed on the color right there, I'm going to take a less dense brush. And this is my favorite to do this with. It is from e.l.f. I don't know what it is about this brush, but I'm pretty sure it's the e.l.f. crease brush. But the bristles aren't as soft, so they blend out shades just differently. I don't know what it is, but it just blends out shades so nicely if it's a really pigmented shadow. I don't know, maybe I think it just doesn't pick up as much product, or I don't know. I don't know. And then that's basically it for the top, and I'm going to do this side, and then we'll get to the bottom line. And I'm back, and the other eye is done, and I went ahead and took the tape off. And I was planning on like smoking it out more so it wasn't like as chiseled, but I'm actually kind of liking this look. So I'm going to go back in with the little dense brush that I used with the black, and I'm going to just bring it down a little bit more onto the lower lash line. And I am going to go in with the blue shimmer and just add a little bit to the bottom lash line. I'm just using the same brush that I used for up top. So I'm going to take my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It is my favorite eyeliner of all time. And I'm just going to, I'm not even going to bother with a wing because like it's black wing already. But I'm going to go across the lash line. Because I have a thick band on my fake lashes I'm going to be putting on. And we want to make sure that that all blends together. I'm now going to take my Lancome, what is this called? Le Stylo Waterproof Eyeliner in black. And I'm just going to hit tight line, that's what it's called. I'm going to tight line that so my lashes can blend as well. Now since I'm going to have dark lashes and this is a pretty dark lash or eyeshadow look, I can't speak. I am going to go in with a cream color eyeliner. It's going to help like keep my eyes looking awake and open and so they don't look closed off due to all the black. I'm going to go ahead and put mascara on. I am using the Lancome. This is the, you can see the name right there. And it's basically a lash primer. Well, it is a lash primer. And I use this on the bottom lashes. Because since I'm going to be putting fake lashes on top, I don't need them for that. And then I'm using Monsieur Big Lancome mascara as well. Sorry for the slight interruption. I just got a call and I just got a job that I applied for and I'm super excited. So that's what that was. But I am going in with my Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, and because I don't like this mascara and I can waste it on lashes that will be not seeing because I'm wearing fake lashes. You guys know what I mean. I'm going to go in from the Faux Mink Ardell Lash Book. This is actually on clearance right now at Ulta. I believe it's $20 and you get 8 sets of lashes. Some of them are missing because like I've taken them out. And then we know how that goes. They get lost. But I'm going to go in with the 817s, and these are also sold individually if you do like these lashes, but you don't want to buy the full thing. These are the 817s that I will be using. And this is what it looks like with the lashes on. And now for this part, you guys can definitely do one of two things. A lot of people like a bold eye with a nude lip, and others are fine with doing bold eye, bold lip. I am one of those people that is bold eye, bold lip, so I'm going to do black, even though I did not pick up the black. This is the black. And now to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Moonchild palette, and I'm going to use the silver highlighter and highlight my face. guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and leave a comment down below letting me know if there's any other looks you want me to do, or any recommendations, or letting me know that you like it, that you didn't like it, whatever. And if you leave something mean, make it constructive so at least I get something out of it. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. I'm going to be uploading every Monday. And I hope you guys had a super day, and I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next video.